Okay, so this is PreCalc example 4 from assignment 25, chapter 7-4. Uh, so this question is it's called partial fractions, and it's a repeated quadratic factors. So write the partial fraction decomposition of 8x cubed plus 13x over parenthesis x squared plus 2 and close the parenthesis and to the square. Okay, and what you have to do is, since this denominator is square over x to the second power inside, which means you're going to have linear, so like this. So let's write down on this format. And the first one you have to have without the parentheses, I just write down inside. Okay, so I will open this. Since denominator is x squared and plus 2, I forgot the number, plus 1. Let me see, forgot what the number. So plus 2, sorry. So if I just wrote down the denominator, it's supposed to be 2 plus 2. Okay, without the parentheses. So this one comes, numerator comes in linear. So first one, you have to write down linear. Ax plus c. So I'm sorry, b. Um, I didn't write down b and c because it's the first two numbers, right? So first number is a, second number is b. Now you have to have another denominator, which is, so I will add this one. The next one, you have to have the one with the exponents. You already have exponents here inside, so you write down here to the square plus 2 and 2 second power here. Now here, numerator, you would change the number, so it's going to be a new set of numbers. So I will change the letter a, b, and to the c. And this one is coefficient, so you carry, again, it's a linear, so cx plus new letter d, and we solve for this. Okay, I hope clear at this moment. So why can't you try to do by yourself if you want to have a question? If you want to solve it by yourself, you can pause the video here. You can do it. Okay. All right, so this is going to be like this. So this is the equation. Now you see, we didn't have a same denominator yet. So in that case, let's have common denominator. So I will push a little bit here, and so we have a more space. Now, to have a same denominator, you have to multiply exactly same thing here, right? So the first one is going to be multiply, create the parentheses, multiply exactly same thing. So x squared plus 2. If you multiply this one, you have to multiply here too. However, I didn't put the parentheses here, so I put the parentheses. Okay. Is this x squared plus 2 times x squared plus 2 is the same expression on this? Yes. So you just leave this one as it is. Okay? And solve for this one. So solve for this one. If you see this one, it's kind of become common denominator. So we could have equation on the upper part, which is here. So let's see. I will copy and paste the upper part. Now this upper part shows up. Now, as you can see the plus sign, so I will add the plus sign. Okay. Now, forgot the equal sign too. Sorry. To put the equal sign here. So now we can solve for this. So let me read it. 8x cubed plus 13x equal to parenthesis ax plus b parenthesis x squared plus 2 close the parenthesis and plus cx plus d. Okay, so we have to solve for this. Now, when you see, let's I think we can distribute a property here. So let's see, if you have a FOIL box method, this is kind of algebra thing. I put this one, uh, on the little side, and put the equal sign. Okay, ax times ax cubed is ax to the third power. So that's the first thing you have to write down. Ax to the third power. Let me get the equation here. Okay. So outer, the formula says outer, right? So x times 2 is 2ax. Now inner, so bx squared, and let's do this one too, b times 2, bx squared and 2b. Okay? Now I make it a little bit smaller, and you carry on this, cx plus d. Okay, then collect like terms. Okay. So this is the only one you see ax to the third power. So x to the third power, and let's do the square together. So this is only square. So I'll push this one a little bit somewhere else. Okay. Now, x cubed bx squared. So next one is the coefficient, the variable should be just x. So if you collect like terms, cx and 2a, x can be combined together. So this is 2a plus c. Inside the parenthesis is 2a plus c, and you can combine x together. So this is the new expression. Okay, the equal sign here. Now, if you compare these two, left and right, 8 is the only one is a coefficient for x cubed, and letter A is the only one on the right hand side. So it must be A equal 8. So I hope you understand. So let me write down this one first. Let me put this answer for maybe different color. Maybe answer in different color. Okay. Right. So I will change this one. So next line, I will change this one to replace this one 8. So evaluate A equal 8. So this one equal times 2 times 8. All right. So now 13x is supposed to be here. X squared is missing, so b could be 0. Let's see. So b could be 0, but let's see this one first. This is going to be 16 plus cx, right? So let me write down this is 16 plus cx. All right, that is this left-hand side. 13x is appearing here. So in that case, c must be 16 plus c must be 13. So c must be negative c. C must be negative c. Okay, now, so let's rewrite this one. C must be negative 3. And this is the only number appears here. So I will rewrite this one to 13. If you plug in C, evaluate C equal negative C, this is going to be 13 here, right? Left-hand side. Right? Okay. Now, the B should be 0 because I don't see x squared. So D is going to be also 0 because I don't see any constant here. So B and D equals 0. I hope it's clear. So it's in order. B equals 0 and D equals 0. So let's plug in this one, this red thing, to this right here. Duplicate, and I cut and paste here. Group. Right, let me carry on this one a little bit lower. Okay, so A equal 8, so this is going to be 8 here. B equals 0, so just don't write anything. C equals negative C. So D equals 0. So you don't have to write anything here. This is the expression. That's the end of the chapter. Oh no, it's not the end yet. So this is the end of